Now, I recently came across this website which I want to share with you. Now, this is called PatternHippo.com, and we can create SVG patterns completely for free. We can create them for print on demand. We can create them for KDP books, especially something like a composition notebook. So, let me go ahead and give you a little walkthrough of this site. Now, if you want to get to this website, you can get here by going to PatternHippo.com. Now, what I'll do is link this down in the description as well, so it's a little bit easier for you to come and check out. So once you're on here, we can see you can create customizable SVG patterns for your projects. There's 310 patterns. You can download the CSS, the SVG or the PNG. We also get commercial rights to these images, and it's completely free to do so. So it's a simple online pattern generator to create repeatable SVG patterns. Now right here we have a few different filters on how we can filter through all the patterns on this website. We can choose or filter through all models. So if we click on here, we have stroke or fill. We can also filter through all colours, so we can have 2 colours in the pattern, 3, 4 or 5. We can also use the search bar, so if you wanted to find something a little bit Christmassy, you could type in Christmas here within the search bar. We can also filter through latest, oldest, A to Z and Z to A. Now if we take a look through all of these, we can see that some of these patterns are really nice. I actually quite like this waves pattern as well, but if we keep on scrolling, we can just see how many patterns that there actually are. And every single one that you see of these are fully customizable. So we can change everything about this pattern. So let's keep scrolling through because there's one near the bottom that I really like. And I think it was a leaf pattern. So let's just keep on scrolling for a second. As we can see, here's some Christmas patterns as well. And I think we're getting closer to that leaf pattern, but you can see just how many patterns that there are. So here it is, it's called Leaves 9. Now, once you find a pattern that you like, you just want to click on that pattern, and then we have a few different options. Right here, we can copy the CSS or the SVG. We can also download the SVG just here, or the PNG, and we can change the dimensions of the image, the pattern, just here as well. Now we can also hide the UI, but I think that's kind of pointless, so let's unhide that like so. And then right here is where we have full customization of this seamless pattern. We can zoom in on the pattern like so. We can also change the horizontal position by dragging the bar. We can also change the vertical position as well. We can play around with the angle, and we can also change how many colours are in the pattern. So right now there's 5, but we could change that to 4, or 3, or 2, or 1. We can also, if we click on these colours just here, change it to any colour that we want. And we also have this Inspire feature just here. So clicking this Inspire feature is going to change all of these settings along with the colour. So if we click on this, we now have blue. We now have these colours, which are quite faded, but the more we click on this, the more variations we're going to get of this pattern, and they're practically unlimited. But nonetheless, I think this is a pretty cool website, and again, it's completely free. Now, once you have a pattern that you really like, you can simply download the PNG or the SVG. If we download the PNG, we can then take a quick look at this and take a look at the pattern. So something like this would work really well on a notebook or even a composition notebook. You could use this on POD, which is print on demand. You could use it on tumblers, mugs, leggings, and so many other products. And I'm shocked that it's completely free. So if you want to come and check this out, again, it is called PatternHippo. You can get here by going to PatternHippo.com, and there will be a link down in the description below. Now, if you liked this video, please give me a like, as it really helps out the channel, And if you want to know how to create seamless patterns using Canva, then click right here and watch this video.